Hello friends, today we are going to see while loop only. So while loop and some scenarios and infinite loop. These are the two concepts we are going to see. So just it's a similar program. Just I am taking two input in value one and in value two. Just I am checking in value less than in value two. Then I am printing the uh, odd numbers. Okay, so if not divided by invalid divided by 2 equal to 0, not this the negation operator we can use. If it is there is odd number, just I am printing it. Else just I am incrementing the loop and just taking the input start and end range and printing the add values. This is the first program. Very simple while loop concepts. That's I am using it. So then I am coming out of this loop. Just I am running this program. So I'm entering 10, 20. So these are the add values. So just the way. So normally in interviews we get take two input, print add values. Directly it's logic of while and if. Okay, this logic. The next one, frequently interviews we get the questions, find the factorial of the given number. So just I am taking the input of the factorial to which number we want to find it. Just I am taking two uh, variables, fact value and fact index. Just I am assigning first to one. So this is the multi-assignment. So this is the way we can assign single time, both values, single value. Then what I am doing in the index, so I am assigning the fact number. So then what I am doing, the fact index. Okay, just uh, so this is one way of printing. So if we give F single quotes, then we can put it in clever basis directly that particular variable. Then we can print it. This is one kind of printing. So earlier we saw percentage D. So this is one kind of printing. F this double quotes. Then we can wherever needed that variable within clever basis we can put that particular variable. That is the one. This fact and this index greater than one. So just greater than or equal to one. So already it's assigned to one. So just I am um, increasing. So the fact value just I am multiplying with index number. Then I am decreasing it. So one by one. So then when it's false, then it will be um, exit. Okay, so let me run this. Just I have 5. So 5, the factorial is 120. So that's the way we can identify the fact. So frequently in interviews we will get this question, find the factorial. It's a very simple program, but mostly interviews you will get it. Okay. Sometimes what happen, they will ask print in this format. So that one is possible. We have to use nested while loop. So while loop we have to use multiple time. So we call this one as nested loop. Then we can able to print this kind of output. So just to hear what I am doing, similar logic. Just I am extending one more while loop. So first this one outer block. Just I am checking fact index. So here we are going small number to large number. That's why I am directly checking fact number, given number less than or equal to index. Then I am printing 1. Then I am multi-index. I am setting 2. Then multi-index it's less than or equal to fact index. Fact index is this one. So it's not true. Then it come here. Fact value 1 and call value is assigned. So this call value less than or equal to 1. Then star equal to this call index value. Then call index value we are adding 1. So it's failed. It's so this unequal to this printing this value. Then fact index we are incrementing. then it will go here. So that's the way it's continue loop, and this loop is printing uh, the star operator and this, and the final loop printing the values. Okay, that's the way we can print the output in this manner. So mostly interviewers we will interviewer ask print the output in this format. So we can use this while loop, nested while loop to uh, use the solution. Okay, next time 3. So, okay. So just okay, just I am leaving. So this is the way we can print the factorial in this format. So this is one of the program. So next, reverse number. So these are the program frequently. If they are asking these are the question means they are mainly targeting while loop. So this is an just I am taking the 4 variables. So first, what I am doing it, taking the input. So and I am storing it as original numbers, just saving it. Then it's not equal to the given number is not equal to 0. Then what I am, if we are dividing by 10, then remainder will be the final number. So that's the value. Then what we am doing, so just I am multiplying and I am doing the remainder, then revision number we will get it. So that's the way, and divided by 10. So that's the way I am putting it. Then finally I'm printing the reverse number. This is the, so this also frequently we get the question, print the reverse numbers. Just I am typing it 1, 2, 3, 4. So reverse it 4, 3, 2, 1. So this will be a reverse number. This is a normal while loop. So sometimes what happen, we will get the question like print uh, some text until we press Control C in the window. So that time what we can do, we can use the infinite loop. So while if true, always if it's true, then it continue on running. So it will be infinite loop. So when we press Control C, then only it will come out of it. So this is a loop. Sometimes it will be helpful. Example. So if I am running this, um, so if you see. So I am putting sleep 1 second, so that's why it's taking 1 second. Then if you press Control C, then it will come out. When it's useful, see example, if you see sometimes some application we enter the password. If it's not correct, it will ask again and again. So there is a infinite loop. So true, taking the input password, just I am checking input password and output password. Sorry, correct password. This is stored in somewhere in the database or somewhere. From there we can fetch. Now I am going manually, so it will check. If it's matching, then it access the grant. Else again and again it will ask the password. So these kind of scenarios we use this infinite loop. So multiple scenario based on the scenario we can use this loop, infinite loop. Okay, just I am so. So example, first I am giving some just welcome. So this is not correct password, just is password is wrong, please try again. Just what. So so again it will ask, just I am doing with welcome Raj. So it's correct password, access granted. So this kind of cases we use this infinite loop. So just we saw while loops and some scenario and infinite loop. These are the interview point of view most important questions we get these areas. This is a session I want to share it today. Thank you so much for viewing. Please subscribe my channel and share your comment and feedback. Thank you so much.